Night Shelter, which was nominated by the Boiler Installation Specialists.
When we found out that Worcester Bosch were running this campaign, giving back to the community to celebrate them winning Which Best Buy for 15 years, Holy Trinity Night Shelter was certainly an organisation that I wanted to highlight as a recipient of a new boiler.
The purpose of the shelter is to provide help to the homeless, particularly during the winter months when it's cold, it's freezing. We offer a bed for the night. It seems to come out of the blue.
Yes.
It's a terrific system we've got. The installation was just
a dream.
Totally quick. It's switched on, it works, and it's warm. Yeah, and a terrific gift to the night shelter and the people of Bishop Stortford.
Has the good fortune to have a warm and safe and secure home. This is when this place steps in and covers all those gaps.
The heating improvements that have been put in by the Boiler Installation Specialists and the hardware that's been given by Worcester Bosch will improve the lives of the guests at the shelter and the volunteers at the shelter.
I'm delighted to declare this new heating system and all the accoutrements with it well and truly open, and long may it serve. Thank you. Amen.